In this video, I want to talk about replacing the rear tension rod on this older model Hegner scroll saw. The models that came after this have a quick release lever on the upper arm, and they make it a whole lot easier and faster to to make blade changes. So I wanted that functionality, and I had heard that there were two options that I could possibly do for getting a quick release lever. The one is to replace the tension rod with a quick release tension rod. The other was to replace the entire arm with one that has an integrated tension lever. When I contacted Advanced Machinery that sells the parts, they recommended against the arm for my model, because apparently with this particular model there's a chance of vibration at high speeds if you replace the arm. So their recommendation to me was to do the tension rod, and it looks like it's going to be a really great upgrade, and so I'm pretty excited about it. I'm going to replace it right now. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'll release the tension on the blade, release the blade itself, and then the first thing on this is to loosen this bracket. It's that holds this little triangle piece in place. The next thing, so you don't remove that, you're just loosening it. The next thing is, and this is, I believe, a 3mm hex driver, so you can use an Allen wrench. And so you take out this bolt washer and bracket, and they come off the saw and don't return. The tension rod also comes off and does not return. And then I add the quick release tension rod, and I will retighten the bracket and reattach the blade. And then now there's no tension on the blade, so I just spin this until I get where I think it needs to be. And so now if I release the tension, I can make a blade change. Oops. Retension. I can release it again. So it's very quick, and as you can see, even the replacement is quick. It's super easy, just 3mm Allen wrench, and that's really all you need to replace it. I love it. I think it's going to be awesome, and I highly recommend it.